back to another video, and we were talking about 30 best ways to earn money online in Pakistan without investment in 2022. And the next topic we have here is called center representative. The second most popular online job to generate passive income is working as a call center agent or representative. Equal opportunity is available to both men and women in Pakistan. Someone with no prior experience is best suited to this job. In a call center agent job, a person receives calls and answers customers' questions. The job is open to matric pass holders and inter pass holders, BS degree holders, and anyone with a relevant experience. And another topic we have here is online tutoring jobs. By becoming an online tutor, you can earn money without any investment in Pakistan if you require qualified and unemployed. If you are qualified and employed, this job vacancy is for you. Unemployment increases by day in Pakistan. The middle class and the poor educate their children so that they can earn money in the future and improve their lives. Investing so much money in education, children then try to find a job when they complete their education. After searching for a lot of jobs, they realized it is very difficult to get a good job without experience. For those with no experience, an online tutoring business is the best way to earn money online. Google offers a wide range of tutoring websites and jobs. Find the best position and apply. You can also find online tutor jobs from all over Pakistan on the homepage. And another topic we have here is social media manager jobs. Social media accounts are very common these days. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. are just a few examples of social media applications used by everyone. In addition to managing people accounts, posting systems, handling comments, and improving brand awareness, the social media manager also assists in increasing sales. If you are skilled in handling accounts, you can also work as a social media manager. Content writer jobs is another topic. In fact, it's our last topic, or maybe a few more. For those who enjoy writing, content writing is the perfect job of 1,000 people. Only one is a good writer. Now Pakistan has many job vacancies for content writers. Education and qualification are not important for this job. What matters is your language skills and writing experience. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.